Good morning, children. Today we'll continue our third chapter, that is more on Microsoft Word. In the previous video, we have learned about Format Painter tool, subscript superscript option, how we are going to find and replace the text, header and footer, and how we are going to insert column button, how we are going to use column break. So today we'll start with indenting text. The word indent is used to describe the distance or the number of blank spaces used to separate a paragraph from left and right margin. How we are going to apply indent in our text? Select the text which is to be indented. Click the Increase Indent button in the paragraph group on the Home tab. The selected text will shift ½ inch away from the left margin. Now if you will click on Decrease Indent button, then the text will be placed ½ inch closer to the left margin. Each time you click the Increase Indent button, the paragraph will move ½ inch away from the left margin. You can also adjust the indent by dragging method. Select the paragraph and drag the first line indent, left indent or right indent. Now here you can see a picture of increase indent and decrease indent in the paragraph group on the Home tab. Now how we are going to set a paragraph spacing? It determines the amount of space above or below a paragraph. So how we are going to do that? First we will select the paragraph whose spacing we want to change. Then we will click the paragraph dialog box launcher option on the Home tab. Paragraph dialog box will be opened. Select indent and spacing. Under spacing, enter the space you want in the before or after box and then click on OK. Next is setting margins. Margin refers to the amount of space which is left from the edge of a paper where the text actually begins to appear. MS Word allows to set the margins on all four sides of a document, that is top, bottom, left and right. The default margins are 1 inch from top and bottom and 1 inch from left and right margin. Select the View tab, click the Print Layout button in the Document Views group. To change the left or right margin, point to the margin boundary on the horizontal ruler. When the pointer changes to double-headed arrow, drag the margin boundary. To change the top and bottom boundary, point to the margin boundary on the vertical ruler. When the pointer changes to double-headed arrow, drag the margin boundary. Now here is a picture where you will observe left margin, right margin, top margin.